If you want to learn how to collect customer reviews using an embedded form and do it in the easiest, cleanest way possible, this video is exactly what you need. I've tested the most popular platforms for this, and I'll show you the fastest method I found. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using, only for viewers of my channel. Stick around because there's one trick at the end that'll save you from the #1 mistake most people make with embedded review forms. To start, the goal is to make it dead simple for your customers to leave a review. No logins, no friction, just a quick form embedded right on your website, landing page, or even inside an email if needed. Open the software we'll be using. It's linked below with that free trial. Once you're in, go to the Forms section. Click on Create New Form. Choose a blank template or use a pre-built review form. It doesn't matter. Just pick one that lets you edit easily. Now add the fields that matter: name, email, optional, rating, 1 to 5 stars or emojis, and a comment box. Keep it short, 3 fields max. Anything longer and you risk drop-offs. You want quick reviews, not essays. Next, go to the Design tab. Match your brand colors and fonts. This increases trust and boosts the chances they'll actually fill it out. Now comes the embedding part. Once the form's ready, hit Share or Embed. Copy the HTML iframe code. Head over to your website builder, whether it's WordPress, Shopify, or anything else, and paste that code where you want the form to appear. Usually, this is on a Leave a Review page or right after a transaction completes. Bonus tip: add the form to your email thank you sequence. Most software lets you embed forms into emails with a CTA that says, "Tell us how we did." Link that to a standalone page that houses your embedded form. Once live, test the form. Submit a fake review to make sure it works. The thank you message shows, and everything looks clean on both desktop and mobile. Don't skip this step. Here's the trick I mentioned earlier. Set up an automation that pushes each review into your CRM or email tool. That way, you can respond fast, follow up with happy customers for testimonials, or catch any issues from negative feedback early. The key takeaway here: if you want more customer reviews, you have to make it ridiculously easy for people to leave them. An embedded form removes all the extra steps and gets straight to the point. Keep it short, mobile-friendly, and branded. Quick recap. We created a simple form, added only essential fields, matched the branding, embedded it on your site, and tested it. Then we took it one step further by linking it in emails and automating the follow-up. If you found this helpful, I highly recommend grabbing the exclusive free trial of the software we used. Just check the link in the description. It's only available for viewers of this channel, and it'll save you hours setting this up from scratch. Thanks for watching. Now go get those reviews.